Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to install Canon pixma G2010 printer drivers on your PC or laptop. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon for latest videos. Open browser, type on URL canon.co.in. Okay, Canon official website is open. Scroll down. You see here support and downloads, click on it. Type here, search by model name here G2010. Okay, pixma G2010. Scroll down. You see here Windows 11 detected. Okay, click on G2010 MP drivers. Click on OK. Click on download button. File is downloading. Click on downloaded file. File is extracting. Okay, MP drivers. Click on next. Select here region Asia. Click on next. Click on yes. Installation in progress. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, connect printer cable to PC or laptop. Okay, installation is complete. Click on complete. Thank you for watching me.